What's up, guys, and welcome to episode 0 of the LUA tutorial series. In this series, I will be teaching you how to use LUA, which will be very useful for adding your own custom mechanics and stuff like that. So this does involve coding, but it is way simpler than source coding, especially since you don't have to get anything extra besides the main download for Psych engine, and it's just generally easier to understand. So let's go over first. How do you create a LUA file? How do you do all that stuff? You're gonna want to go into your mods folder. Now there's a few different ways you can make this. So if you have a song, you can make a LUA file in here. Let's just call it LUA file.lua. If it has the LUA file extension, it can be called literally anything otherwise, and is in a song folder in your data. It will run when you enter that song. Now, if you want a script to run on every song, go into the scripts folder, create a new LUA script. There's a few other places you can place files, but we will get into that in later videos. Also, if you want, you can remove the achievements folder, as achievements are not implemented in the current version of Psych engine. I do believe it's the same case with shaders. Now, an important resource for LUA in general is the Psych engine GitHub, in which you can go into the Wiki tab, the LUA script API, and there is a documentation, official documentation. There's variables, functions, tweens, and timers, all of these interesting things. Now, you don't have to necessarily use this, as I will be going over most of this stuff in my series. But if there's something I don't mention in my videos, you can always go here and try to find it. And just read up about it. Another very important thing is the template script with all callbacks explained. If you open this in a new tab, this basically just shows every function you can use. So for example, on create, so when the song starts, and on update, so every single tick that the game is open, and things like this. But that's all for this short introduction to the LUA series. We will be starting with tutorials 1 through 5 next week, starting Monday, May the 1st. So the start of a new month, new tutorial series. It's quite cool. I will not be uploading on weekends, but I will be uploading the series every day of the week. But yeah, that's all for this video. Stay tuned, and goodbye.